It's Friday morning. Sorry I forgot to put up a video report on Thursday. Well, you smallmouth bass guys who've been waiting all summer for the right conditions, hopefully some of you have made it out this week. We've got moderate flows. We're right around 450 CFS. It's clear, and this warm weather that's here through Saturday is creeping water temps upward in the afternoon, which if you're a trout fisherman isn't ideal, but if you're a smallmouth fisherman, that's exactly what you want. The bass we've been catching this week, some of them have been literally puking up crayfish. It gets both the crayfish and the bass very active, which works out well for you fishermen, probably not so great for the crayfish. Looks like the weather's going to break Saturday night, and we've been getting highs, anywhere from low to mid 80s all week. Although surprisingly cool a lot of nights. It goes back down into the 50s Saturday night, and then from pretty much Sunday onward, every day is like low to mid 70s for a high. I think I even saw one day with a high in the upper 60s. And the nights are going to be well down into the 50s, even creeping down into the 40s. Whatever they say at night we're going to get here, we usually get at least a couple, 2-3 degrees cooler than that. So this week, smallmouth are your best bet, and pike too. Actually, we've had some good catches. September is typically one of the best months of the year for pike. Usually you see the water temps dropping and the days getting shorter, and that combination seems to really put the pike on the bite. They're hard to target on foot, but if you want to go out in a boat with one of our guides, we can get you in those slow, deep sections that the pike inhabit, and you get a shot at potentially a big pike. Average pike's probably anywhere from mid 20 to low 30 inch range. But every year we get some pike, in the 36 to 40 inch range, sometimes even a hair bigger. If you like to throw big flies on a big rod and you like explosive strikes, you might want to give that kind of fishing a try. So as the temps cool back down on Sunday, that'll ramp a lot of the hatches back up. Most of the bugs are kind of synced to trout temps, especially like ISOs. When you see cooler temps, usually the ISO hatches pick up and they start coming off a little earlier in the day. You're basically looking late afternoon to evening. Flying ants are a possibility on any day in September. That's actually a mating swarm. It's not a hatch. And then in the evening, again, as things cool back down, sulfurs, cahills, assorted caddis, and blue-winged olives too. September can be a good month for that. Ever since we went to natural flow well over a decade ago, it seems to have improved the September blue-winged olive hatches. Hope to see some of you all here the next few days, and think trout next week.